Yeah, that's not going to be a thumbnail. What's up, guys? It's Ayub here from ViralWhirl. And in today's video, I just want to clear some things up and basically give you guys some updates on my channel. So, for those of you who've been watching my channel for a long time, or if you're a new viewer, welcome. But for you guys that have been watching my channel, you've probably noticed that for the past year or so, I've been uploading these shitty or trash garbage make money online videos. Okay, so these types of it, if you know what I'm talking about, I'll show you guys right here. I'm sure most of you guys know what I'm talking about. Shitty make money online videos. Now these make money online videos, they give little to no value. Okay, and the reason why I was making these types of videos is because, as with anyone on YouTube, any YouTuber or quote unquote influencer, I'm not an influencer, but for anyone that has a personal brand on YouTube, on Instagram, anyone that has a following that makes these types of videos or any type of videos, it's they're looking for views. Okay, they're looking for views, they're looking for traffic, looking for new subscribers, basically looking for views. And you get into this vicious cycle when it comes to views. It's like fucking crack. Okay, it's like heroin. You get addicted to that shit. You want your next fix, and your next fix is gonna be views. You want 1 million views, you want this much views, you want this much traffic, you want people to go to your landing page, you want people to sign up for your course, whatever it is. Okay, you get trapped into this vicious cycle. And that affects you in many ways. It affected me on not giving you guys value. Okay, and when I started this channel, I promise you, when I started this channel, I wanted to genuinely, from my heart, help you guys. Okay, help people out to make, whether it is to make money online, whether it's to start a new YouTube channel and grow it and make money off it. I just wanted to genuinely help people out. However, through the years, and like I said, you get addicted to the views. You get addicted. You want to make views. If you look at those videos that I was making, make money online, I was targeting the views. Okay. If you look at the thumbnails, if you look at the titles, if you look at the everything, okay, everything from titles to tags to descriptions to thumbnails, I was chasing the views. Okay. I was chasing the traffic. And that's something that I don't want to do anymore. Okay, I'm tired of doing that. I'm not comfortable with chasing views if it means I gotta make videos like that, videos that don't give value to people, that don't help people out. I don't want to do that. Okay, from now on, I'm changing everything on this channel. I basically want to only give out value. If it's not giving out massive value, then I don't want it. Okay, because when you give out value, when you help people out, you don't have to worry about getting views. You don't have to worry about getting a lot of subscribers. You don't have to worry about getting lots of comments on your videos or whatever, lots of traffic. Because once you're genuinely helping people out, everything comes with it. Okay, if you're genuinely helping people out, you're gonna get views. Okay, if you're genuinely helping people out, you're gonna make money off it. As long as you're genuinely giving value, okay, massive value, and helping people out, it's gonna give you success in the long run. And that's something I forgot. That's the principle of my channel. When I started the ViralWhirl channel, I said this is what I wanted to do. I wanted to help people out. I wanted to help people get out of the struggle, whatever it is, whatever struggle you're on. I wanted to help you get out of it, because I know what that's like. I've been in that struggle before, and I wanted to help people get out of that struggle. And one way was through helping people grow their YouTube channels to make money off it, or grow an Instagram profile to make money off it and sell it, or make a Shopify store and grow it and sell it. Okay, basically giving out massive value. And with these making money online videos, they're not giving no value. Okay, the only reason I was making these videos is to basically get views. Okay, get views on the channel and to basically get traffic. And that's the biggest mistake I've made to this year, and I really do apologize for that. I really do apologize for making this shit content, but I got trapped. Okay, I got put in that trap. I got put in that vicious cycle of chasing the views. Okay, chasing the subscribers, chasing traffic. I got trapped into that. Okay, however, like 2 or 3 weeks ago, I was looking over my channel and I was like, what the fuck are you doing, bro? What the fuck are you doing? is this what you're really about? Is this what you're really about? Like, just trying to get views, not really helping people. And I'm like, I gotta change this. And that's why I made this video today. From now on, I'll be uploading every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Yeah, 3 days a week. That's perfect. So I'll be uploading every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And when I will be uploading, I won't upload shitty make money online content. I'll actually be uploading genuine, from the heart, real help, real value, massive value videos that'll be 30 minutes long, 45 minutes long, not just theory that I show you guys in these methods, not just these stupid methods that are probably black hat, that will probably get you banned from doing them, that you'll probably get banned from doing in like 1 week. I'll actually give you guys real value. It's gonna help you out, and it's gonna help you grow a real business, okay? A real genuine business, okay? Like I said, I'm tired of doing these making money online videos, these type of stupid videos, and I see them all over YouTube. I see everyone doing them, okay? Everyone doing these just because it's the thing, okay? I've been doing them for long. I've been doing them for like a year and a half or 2 years, and all of a sudden I see every single person in the internet marketing world or online marketing world is doing these videos, and it's horrible to see, okay? It's horrible to see, and I'm one of them, okay? I'm one of them. I'm one of those people, but it's horrible to look back at it and see the type of content I was uploading, and it's horrible to see the type of content that people are putting out on YouTube, like these making money watching videos or doing surveys. Like, what the fuck? Are you really gonna make money from doing surveys every day? Yeah, it's probably gonna make you $3 a day. That's like not even minimum wage. You could go work at McDonald's and make minimum wage and not slave away doing surveys. What the fuck? I see a lot of these videos out, and I don't see videos that are really showing you how to run a business, how to start a real online business that you can actually benefit from, that you can actually make 6 figures from. Well, there is people doing that, but they put it out in a course. However, that's not what I'll be doing. I'll actually be giving you guys free massive value on my channel. I'll be doing like mini courses on my channel, hour-long videos, 2-hour-long videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. That's going to teach you step by step from A to Z, from beginning on doing whatever it is, from starting an online business to starting an affiliate income online through YouTube. I'll be doing all that. You guys can comment down below what you guys want me to do, but I'll be basically giving out massive value in these videos, and they're going to be long, and they're going to be like courses, okay? Courses that you see out for $500 or $1,000. I'll be showing you guys those same methods in a free YouTube video, just to help you guys out, get to where you're from, to actually getting success in the online marketing world. And an update to you guys, I've actually started a video marketing agency. Okay, so I started a video marketing agency, I think it was like 1 month or 2 months ago. That's when I started it. And basically, if you want me guys to do it, I'll document everything to you guys to show you how I started it, how I started from scratch, and how I got my first clients, okay, how I got my first paying clients for these marketing videos. And I'll run you guys through everything step by step for free, all on my channel. If you guys want to see that, I don't see a lot of, I don't see anyone doing that. I don't see anyone that started a video marketing agency. I've seen social media marketing agencies, but I haven't seen a video marketing agency, and that's what I've started from scratch. But yeah, I'll show you guys how I started from scratch, from A to Z, and how I got my first clients, and how you could do the same thing, how you could start your own video marketing agency from home, okay, from home, and how you could hire people, from Upwork to do these videos for you, to do the voiceovers for you. And all you got to do is find your clients, and I'll show you exactly how you can find those clients, and how I did the exact same thing. And I'll document everything, how much I've made this month from the video marketing agency, what were my expenses, and everything else. I can show you all that. I'll have full clarity with everything to you guys. But yeah, guys, like I said, I quit doing these making money online videos. That's it. From now on, it's only value. I'm only giving out value. If it's not helping you out, then I'm not posting it, okay? If it's not, before even uploading the video, I gotta watch through it and see that I'm actually giving out 100% value, and it'll actually help someone, okay? Because the best thing ever is actually seeing people thank you for helping them. Okay, I've looked at my old videos where I was actually helping people out. I was actually putting out value content that helps people. On my videos like how to get subscribers or how to get views, I was showing people like real tips, okay, real tips that I was using at the time to get me views. And I've seen in the comments, it helped a lot of people out. It helped a lot of people get subscribers. It helped a lot of people build their channels. And my other videos on Instagram, I seen that I helped a lot of people grow Instagram pages and actually sell them, grow meme pages and actually sell them. So yeah, and that is the best feeling, helping other people out. And like I said, guys, chasing views or chasing subscribers, chasing traffic, you don't want to do that, okay? You want to focus on helping people out. You want to focus on giving. You want to focus on value. And from there on, that's what's going to get you the money. That's what's going to help you out in your business. That's what's going to give you success. I promise you that. Clickbait thumbnail, a clickbait title that shows people how you can make money today in the next 24 hours through PayPal is not going to help anyone out, because they're going to watch the video. They're going to watch 2 minutes. They're going to see that you're actually lying. Well, not lying, but you're basically misleading them, okay? And the method that you're showing them is probably burned out and no one's actually doing it, and it actually doesn't work. Then you're gonna get bad comments, you're gonna get dislikes, and you're not helping anyone out. They're gonna exit out of that video. They're not gonna benefit anything from that video, okay? They're not gonna benefit anything from that video. When I want people to exit out from my videos, I want them to actually benefit from it. I want them to actually go and do something from seeing that video. I want them to take action. I want them to see success from taking action from watching that video. Okay, that's the things that I want to see from now on. So from now on, that's what I'll be doing. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I'll be uploading these massive value videos. They're going to be like real courses. They're not going to be theory videos. They're going to be A to Z courses showing you the real deal, showing you how I do things and how you can find success from it. So yeah, guys, comment down below what kind of videos you want to see. Is it affiliate marketing that you need help with? I can do a whole video from A to Z, how to do affiliate marketing on YouTube. I'll show you from scratch. I'll be uploading the first video this Wednesday. So today's Monday. I'll be uploading Tuesday. So Wednesday, I'll be uploading that video. I already have it ready. I just need to edit some things in it, and I'll upload it on Wednesday. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Sorry if my voice was nasally in this video, but I'm like really sick. Okay, I have allergies. You can see like tears and shit. And I have an ear infection. I'm like fucked up beyond repair, but I still made this video. Anyways, guys, that's it for this video. See you on Wednesday.